Qbiss One there are joint option for vertical as well as horizontal installation. For more information please consult the Qbiss One installation guide or contact our Trimo technical support. Let's explore joint options in this horizontally laid project, starting with the longitudinal joint. Editing the curtain wall, the Qbiss QB panel with BB joint is the default. We will demonstrate the use of element types a bit later. For a BFB joint with HF40 profile select QBF panel. And for a FB joint select QFB panel. To change to a FBF joint change the mullion to HF52. Let's revert to the BB joint. To show the element type, change the detail level to fine. The standard installation is from left to right, so let's start here. The default panel type is Type 1. To start, we'll unpin the Start column and change to Type 3. If needed, check the element types in the installation guide. Next we'll change the corner element to Type 2. The last panel column on a facade is made after measurement. Let's unpin and put an after measurement remark in the note field. Assign Type 4 to top 2 panels. Next assign Type 2 to the lower 2 panels since they are next to the opening. Thank you for watching. You are welcome to watch the Trimoterm Revit Complementary series to learn about other features of the Revit BIM library.